just get the power back, you'll have a decision to make. Enlighten me. Well, we should have and trade body blows with a vampire punch for punch. Believe me, I know. So do I. Fight for a change. No, fair only gets you so far, love. Clever gets you further. After this, Marcel will still be and so will Klaus, and you know better than anyone that those two don't fight fair. You are going to need an original on your side, and I'm going to need a line to stop those two from running things. Am I missing something? Why would you side with me? Sometimes what's more important is not who you're siding with, but who you're siding against.
Hey, Klaus said not to. I'm done caring what Klaus says.
You don't have to be here for this. It's going to take some time for Sophie to prepare for her concentration.
I have time. I am aware of this.
Care to elaborate? Why?
I've experienced something profoundly wonderful that when it was taken from you, your life felt unbearable.
Yes. I have felt that. And I've got the scar.
I believe that when you love someone, that person loves you in return. You give me grief on the moment. They have a power. It's like nothing else. Rebecca,
He's taking a girl.
who has?
Bloody Marcel.
Then you wanted to run off and stab this backstabber.
Says the man who was shuffling up with him not 2 seconds before all this went down. Okay, we need to divide it and conquer if we're going to stand a chance. I could have gone.
Well, I'm here with Sabine. Perhaps we could try and locate her spell. I'll talk to the priest. They might even be at the church. It's the last place we think to look for them, right?
Okay, you check the church, I'll check everywhere else.
What are you doing?
I was going to take these.